What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Toyota Sienna Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2450. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the Smart Key. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and then the key will slide out like that. And now we're going to use this key to open the case. If you notice, there's just a little bit of a lip on this key. And where we're going to fit that in is this slot right here. Not sure if the camera's picking that up, but there's a slot right here. And what you want to do is push it in that slot and make sure it's all the way pushed in. And then we're going to twist the key like we're opening a lock. So once we have it in that slot pushed in all the way, just rotate it, and that'll pop the shell apart just a little bit. And if we pull the board out, we'll see the battery on the back of it. And what you can do is grab your key again and just get under the edge of the battery, like that. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Snap that in. Put our board back in there, and because of the shape of it, it can only really fit in there one way. And then go ahead and snap the back on. Put our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.